Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lens cleaning kit is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for any photographer, but trust me, it's a game changer. Dirty lenses can ruin even the most stunning shots, leading to blurry images and a general sense of frustration. In this video, we'll dive into the world of lens cleaning kits, exploring what makes a great kit and how to keep your lenses sparkling clean. Number 5. Care Touch Lens Wipes, 210 count. Introducing Care Touch Lens Wipes, the perfect solution for keeping your lenses spotless. This product is designed for eyeglasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. It's convenient and easy to use. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. This product ensures you always have a way to clean your lenses, no matter where you are. It's ideal for travel and daily use. The wipes are formulated to clean without leaving any streaks or residue. This product dries quickly, providing you with clear vision in seconds. It's safe for all coated lenses. These wipes are gentle yet effective, removing smudges and dirt without scratching your lenses. This product is safe for most eyeglass lenses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. It's the perfect way to maintain your lenses. These wipes are not just for eyeglasses, they're also perfect for sunglasses and camera lenses. This product is a multifunctional cleaning solution for all your optical devices. It's a must-have for anyone who values clear vision. What we like. This product's individually wrapped design makes it incredibly convenient. If you're always on the go and need a quick, easy way to clean your lenses, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for travel, fitting easily into any bag or pocket. You'll appreciate the ease of use and portability. What people say. These reusable cloths had downsides of costing a few dollars a piece, not cleaning as well without fluid, which was a pain to carry, and having the potential to smear existing gook around or scratch lenses if using them dry. These wipes were perfect. I was able to clean my glasses and my phone and iPad screens without streaks. Lens cleaning wipes offer a remarkable level of cleaning power with minimal effort. A single wipe can effectively remove fingerprints, dust, smudges, and even stubborn residue from various surfaces, restoring them to their original pristine state. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the best-in-class microfiber cleaning cloth. It's meticulously crafted to absorb dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Not all microfiber cloths are the same. This one is engineered from ultra-fine, super dense, and totally lint-free Japanese microfiber. It's woven in a max-performance honeycomb matrix. This cloth offers unparalleled performance on all surfaces. It's perfect for anti-reflective coatings, polarized sunglasses, camera lenses, and touch screens. It's also great for AR/VR headsets and other optical devices. This cleaning cloth is washable and reusable. It outperforms other alternatives, reducing waste while maximizing value. Simply wash it by hand with cold water and mild soap, then hang to air dry. When you choose this product, you're joining a community of millions. They rely on it for their precision lens and device care needs. It's designed for supercharged, long-lasting performance. What we like. This product features Japanese microfiber for superior cleaning. If you're looking for a streak-free, lint-free clean every time, this is the one. Its durability means you can wash and reuse it, making it a great value for your money. What people say. The material feels thicker and softer than typical cheap ones, and it cleans without leaving streaks or tiny lint fibers behind. It's machine washable and holds up really well after multiple washes. Leaves no streaks and stays effective for multiple uses before needing to launder. Number 3. Camkix Camera Lens Cleaning Kit. This kit ensures your camera is always spotless. It includes various tools to keep your DSLR, compact, or action camera ready to capture perfect shots. The air blower requires no batteries or refills. It provides a precise stream of air to remove dust and debris from your lens or camera sensor. This pen has an adjustable brush and a non-liquid cleaning element. The cleaning element is designed to never dry out, ensuring it's always ready to use. This pack contains 50 sheets of cleaning paper. They are perfect for cleaning camera and camcorder lenses, telescopes, and other optics. The soft material safely removes dirt and fingerprints. These non-abrasive, extra-soft cloths are ideal for cleaning glass surfaces. They work great, especially after using the cleaning spray or cleaning paper. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for all your cleaning needs. If you have a DSLR or action camera and want to keep it spotless, this kit is your best bet. It provides everything you need to maintain your equipment, ensuring immaculate results every time. What people say. The rocket blower works as well and generates just as much airflow as other more expensive versions that I own. The lens pen cleaner has a reversible tip that allows you clean both lenses and viewfinders, and that is a very nice touch for such a modestly priced product. The lens cloths are soft and do a good job wiping my camera lenses clean. The brushes are soft and thick. The blower gives a good stream of air, helpful for dislodging tiny particles. Number 2. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. This all-in-one camera cleaning kit is a must-have for every photographer. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, it provides essential tools to keep your camera and gear clean and working at its best. The kit includes a premium lens cleaner spray that is alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and odor-free. It's ideal for safely removing dust and smudges from lenses and screens without causing any damage. This professional lens cleaning kit features a variety of high-quality accessories. It includes everything you need to safely clean your camera lenses, sensors, and filters with ease. This comprehensive kit is designed for DSLR, mirrorless, and compact cameras. It includes cleaning tools that protect your gear from damage while improving image clarity. This camera lens cleaning kit is compatible with all camera models and brands. Photographers trust it to maintain lens clarity and keep their gear in optimal condition. What we like. This product is an all-in-one solution for all photographers. If you're a professional or a hobbyist, this kit is a must-have. It's designed to keep your gear clean and working at peak performance, ensuring your lenses are always clear. What people say. The air blower is perfect for gentle removal of dust from delicate sensors and lenses. It's powerful enough to dislodge debris without any contact, which is essential for camera safety. The included lens cleaning pen is a lifesaver, with a soft brush on one end to remove dust and a non-liquid cleaning element on the other end to remove fingerprints and smudges without residue. The microfiber cloths are a game changer. They are incredibly soft and leave no scratches or streaks on my lenses or LCD screen. Number 1. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. This kit from Altura Photo is designed for APS-C DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It includes everything you need to keep your lenses and sensors clean. This will help you get the best photos possible. The kit comes with a variety of tools. Included are sensor swabs, lens cleaner, a carrying case, a lens cleaning pen, a brush, an air blower, and lens tissue. It has everything you need to keep your gear in top shape. These swabs are designed to absorb and remove particles and smudges. They are specifically made for APS-C sensors. Using these will help keep your images clear. The lens cleaning solution uses natural ingredients. It's designed to clean without leaving streaks or blemishes. It's safe for all electronics, coated lenses, and sensors. The included case keeps all the tools organized and protected. It makes it easy to take the kit with you. This ensures you can clean your camera wherever you go. What we like. This product includes a sensor cleaning kit and all-natural lens cleaner. If you have APS-C DSLR or mirrorless cameras, this kit is essential. It provides everything you need to keep your lenses and sensors in top condition, with the added convenience of a travel case. What people say. High-quality kit provides cleaning items in a very smart-looking case. A high-quality product that will get the job done. The instructions for swabbing the sensor are super clear, and the most important part is to use only 1 or 2 sprays on the swab. I held the swab about 3 inches from the spray nozzle to avoid saturating it. 1 gently firm swipe in one direction, flip the swab, then 1 gently firm swipe in the other and most of my sensor dust was gone. There was no residue at all. The kit itself is housed in a nice caring black case which is key to keep everything clean and organized. It also fits into my camera bag which is a plus, so it's always ready when I need it. The cleaning solution is safe for all lens and it has done an amazing job cleaning everything from the lens glass to the camera body and sensor. Seriously looked like a mirror finish when I was done. Also, I want to note the large cleaning cloth is a must. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.